In this video, we're going to look at two handy and easy-to-use features in Auto BIM Route: Panel Info and Quick Route. Let's start with the Panel Info feature. This tool lets you get the name of any panel in your model with just one click. To use it, activate Panel Info mode by clicking its icon in the toolbar. Then, click on any panel in the model. A pop-up will instantly appear showing you the panel's name. It's a simple but useful tool, especially helpful in dense views where panel labels may be hard to read, giving you quick confirmation with a single click. Now let's move on to the Quick Route feature. And just like the name suggests, it helps you create a route quickly without diving into extra steps. With one click, your source panel is selected, and you're ready to choose the loading point. Here's how it works. Start by enabling Panel Selection mode from the toolbar. Then, click on the panel you want to set as your source. This opens the feeder schedule window automatically, with that panel already selected and ready to go. This feature is especially useful when you already have predefined runs and want to quickly add another one, saving time and clicks. And that's it. Two small but powerful features designed to make your workflow faster and more efficient, just like everything else in Auto BIM Route.